2009 Civic Type R FN2. We're going to be doing 4-speaker system in this with a 4-channel amplifier. I'll show you the gear. So in front we're going to be doing some, this is all Rockford Fosgate stuff. So 6-inch components in the front. Gasket there. These are really beefy, really heavy speakers. Good quality, sound good at high volume, real power speakers. Kind of what the guy's going for here is some power. Crossover. Just chunky terminals. We do a lot of 6x9s, but the customer didn't want a subwoofer in this instance, so we're just going to use the matching 6x9s for the front speakers. Again, Rockford Fosgate Power Series. Quite a nice looking set of speakers as far as 6x9s go. All this is going to be driven off Rockford Fosgate Punch 4-channel amp. No, this has a remote punch EQ. That's not a subwoofer control. Punch EQ, remote equalizer. Good job of taking it apart.
Is that where we're going to mount it then, underneath there, or?
We're actually going to... This is a chunky little, robust bit of kit. It can withstand all kinds of dropping and chucking. But we're going to take it apart. So we don't need the case, so it doesn't matter that I dropped it on the floor. And what this does, as you can see, 0 dB, 18 dB. This will adjust the acoustics of only the rear speakers, so it will adjust more bass to 6x9s or less bass. It's a cool bit of kit. And again, a re-Q. This thing, because we're going to use the standard factory head unit that doesn't have any RCA pre-outs on it. We're going to use this little bit of kit. This will filter out all the rubbish that the original head unit puts out. Clipping of the bass, it will revitalise all that and restore and regenerate all the bass that is lost. But it is also a line output converter, so it will turn the normal speaker lines into pre-outs. It gives you 3, front, rear and sub, but no, we're not going to be using the sub, so just front and rear we're going to be using on this. So great bit of kit, you'll be seeing that later on. Hopefully HD, because we've got an HD camera coming today, so hopefully you'll see that installed in HD, maybe not. So that's what we've got. That's the car. Check
with
it out
installers. Good in, Steve.
Nervously taking off this wheel arch trim.
They're a bit delicate, are they?
It's a little screw.
Little screw.
Forgot to mention that we're also putting parking sensors on here. The visibility out the back of this FN2, if you want to just check out, is bad. It's bad. It's got his window tinted as well, so it makes it really difficult. We send these away and have these painted exact colour code matched to the car.
Where's it gone?
We're going to do something a little extra for this guy because he has travelled a long way. A 3-hour drive to get to us. Put this up in the headliner. Put that up in the headliner. And what that is when he puts it in reverse, we get a little LED come on. And the little LEDs, the closer he gets, the closer they'll get. And the audio alert will be in here as well. So stick it in reverse. We get a little bleep, and I'll walk around the back. Bumper removed, and you can see there and there. There's a pokey stick.
So, what part of the car has this got to do with then?
Yeah, the bumper, not me, the bumper knocked my drink over. It wasn't me, it was the bumper. So I'm just cleaning up the bumper's mess.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah, they're quite cheeky then, Civics, aren't they?
Just poking 4 holes in a £1,500 bumper. See what we've done.
It's a good job they're marked out for you then, isn't it?
Standard bumper, as you can see from side on, is really sloped, so we're going to use these. It's 20. It's 20. Nice neat hole. Neat. Okay, so we've got sensor in. You can see that the tilt angle isn't that bad. It's pretty straight. And then that one. Okay, well, you can see it's pretty straight now. So we're going to do the 2 centers with them and the 2 outers like that. Get in there. Okay, we've got the standard speaker here. That is a poor excuse for a speaker. Yeah, that's what's going in.
Okay, the finished door. The door's been fully dynamated, fully dynolined. We've redone the Civic mounts, decided to give a little hint of what's underneath, plus the fact that the standard Civic covers are absolutely hideous.
Let's take it out. Get up here. See what's going on. See in there, right? This is this is our looms. So plug we're gonna need. That's our main power lug. Lug. Okay. Plug that in there. And that's all our power done, so we'll just wrap that bit of tape around. There, done.